I'm the Guitar Ninja and welcome to another Daily Guitar Challenge video. Yesterday we had a go at doing these 3-note runs of the minor pentatonic scale going down, well, up in pitch, down the neck physically, however you want to look at it. We're going to come back up today, so this is like a part 2 to yesterday's video. I have actually filmed 4 videos, the last 4, this being the 4th, all on the same day, and this is that crazy 27-degree, really sunny day here in England. And because I'm filming, I've had to shut all the windows and doors so that you can't get background noise, and I'm underneath the filming lights. So please, give us that thumbs up and subscribe to make all of this worth me melting. My brain has stopped working a few times in the recording of these videos, so I might go a little bit crazy, but let's just jump into this. This is the backwards run up the minor pentatonic in A minor, doing 3 notes. We are going to start with the higher pitch note, so not our root note of A, but our C, so our 8th fret on the high E string. So slightly different note to the run down. We're going to add that note in and start our run back up today. So if you haven't already seen yesterday's video, please check that one out because this really is just a part 2 to that. We're going to start like we did the last video with quarter notes, then onto 8th notes, then have a play around with some triplets as well. I broke yesterday's one today, but yesterday's video around that 150 with triplets. I was destroyed. Faster was not happening. I couldn't even track if I was in time. I think I could physically have played faster, but probably not with great timing. So let's see if I can do similar on the way back up. Most people struggle more with the roots back up. So, take you through this really quickly. Some tab on the screen. This is the exercise we're doing today. Let's see how we do with this with speed. So let's start really slow. Remember, we're going to start slow. Even if you can do this crazy fast, this is your chance to exercise, get the pattern into your head, so when it gets faster, you can do this. So please start slow, even if you can do faster, just for your own ability. You'll be surprised on how much faster you'll be able to reach if you do the slower steps. Definitely makes a difference for me. Leave a comment below at the maximum speed you reach. Definitely consider the thumbs up, subscribing, and if you want to learn some basics and this seems a little bit too much for you, check out the Guitar Ninja Academy where I cover anything and everything guitar related. There'll be links in the description below. Oh, also, on Amazon you can get these books printed to deliver anywhere, I believe, that Amazon delivers. And these are empty tab books, so all of these exercises you can write into these books and have a list of them yourself. There's also chord graphs, scale diagrams, and notes and things with a blank contents page, which is something I haven't seen the other blank tab books do, which is why I created this. So you've got scales, chords, and tab, empty space for theory notes, and a contents page. Every page has a number, so you can even fill in the page numbers of the contents, making it easy to find your stuff. Anyway, enough of the sale of this book. I do think it's amazing. I'm not just pitching it because I'm like, give me money, although I would appreciate money, of course I would. But yeah, I do think these are amazing, so go check them out. There's a link in the description for these as well, for you to throw your exercises into. Now that that's done, let's jump into this reverse pattern at 80 BPM quarter notes. Oh, that didn't play, that made it faster. Let's try again. Woo. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, sometimes it's harder to go with the slower ones because there's such a big gap between the notes. So remember, even if you struggle, let's keep going faster anyway. Let's have a go now at 90 BPM. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, let's just keep it going. 100 BPM. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, let's keep it going. 110 BPM. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, straight up to 120. 1, 2, 3, and. Keep it going. 130. Oh, 129. 1, 2, 3, and. I went wrong there. Oh well, I'm going to go faster anyway. I'm sure you managed to keep up with me at least till I went wrong. So 140 BPM. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, sounding a bit faster now, a bit more comfort zone. 150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and. So I don't know about you. Oh, that's not pausing it, is it? So I don't know about you, but I personally find that 150 speed was the easiest speed yet. Actually getting faster, sometimes it's easier because just the speed of the metronome, the natural speed we want to move our hands, sometimes these faster speeds are actually easier than the slower ones. So 160 BPM, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and. Go to 170. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and. Keep it going. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and. Up to 190. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and. $200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, what I'm finding amazing here is I'm finding this weirdly easier at these faster speeds, and I'm finding it easier not even to look at the neck. So perhaps once you've done the earlier ones, if you can get this pattern into your fingers, then actually it might be even easier for you. Right, back to 100 BPM, but now eighth notes. So let's jump in and have a go here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So again, what I said with the run down is the same for the run up. These eighth notes can be quite hard because we're doing runs of 3, but the clicks are basically doing runs of 2, if you know what I mean. They're clicking, then we're playing 1, clicking, then playing 1. So we kind of don't necessarily start each triplet on a click. We're starting one on a click, starting one off, starting one on, starting one off, and it can feel a little bit awkward. So actually, if you're struggling with this, perhaps try a few of these anyway, but if you're really struggling, try and skip through towards the triplet bit of the video and have a go there, because you'll be surprised. They might actually be easier for you than these eighth notes bits. Anyway, let's go to 110 eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 120. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Ah, no volume. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 130. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 140. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 150. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 'I'm not even sure if I went right there. Let's try it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 'I think I'm doing it right. We'll find out. 160. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 'I hope I haven't got into a bad habit with these speeds. I'm so hot that I'm struggling to work out if what I'm playing is the right notes or if I'm playing some extras in there. Please let me know in the comments below if I've messed up. If I haven't, don't worry. I mean, comments are always nice, so let me know what speeds you're managing. In fact, I'm sure there's going to be plenty of comments going, well, this was easy, why does he keep messing up? We'll find out. Now, I don't know if I went to 170 because it's so hot, but 180. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 'Let's do that again because my count might have put you off. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 190. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 'That note's not even in there. Woo! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That felt better. Right, 200 BPM. I'm so dead. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. No volume. Come on. 1. I'm so hot. Whew. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. This is definitely the last video I am filming today. So that was 200 BPM with eighth notes. So we're now going to go back to 100 BPM and try this with triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right, I'm going to count in with 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So at least now the click is at the beginning of each set of 3. So it should be a bit easier. Right, 110 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 120. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 130. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 140. I'm struggling. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 150. This is where it broke last time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I have no idea if that was in time. 1, 2. Oh, I'm so hot. I'm actually quite dizzy. I'm definitely finishing this video and having plenty to drink and rest. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I even started putting trills in there. Okay, so on the way down, it was around the 150, 160 mark I broke. On the way back up, also the 150 mark. So at least my running up and down the strings is around the same sort of thing. Thank you so much for watching. I'm actually going to do, I think, these same exercises at some point, like a month or two down the line, just trying to get a feel for how much progress that I make or how different it is when the weather isn't trying to kill me. So thank you so much for watching this video. I know these aren't edited to some crazy level, but I hope they're really helpful and fun for you to have a go at these challenges with me. I will catch you in a new video soon. Think about doing the thumbs up, subscribing, all of that madness, you know, and I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye!